Hi, a very good day to the Madam Siti Soleha, and my name is Shakaying 295290, and today I'm going to present the individual assignment presentations. And my company is the PBB Group Berhad. So let me introduce about PBB Group Berhad to you. And PBB Group Berhad, founded in 1968 and headquartered in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, is a diversified conglomerate listed on Bursa Malaysia Security Berhad. The company operates across various sectors, including the grain trading, flour and feeds mining through its subsidiary FFM Berhad, consumer product, environmental engineering, property development, and entertainment. PBB is Malaysia's largest flour miller and also distributes a wide range of the fast-moving consumer goods product. It provides innovative water and wastewater treatment solutions and develops quality residential and commercial property. Additionally, PBB also owns the Golden Screen Cinema, Malaysia's largest cinema chain, and committed to the high quality of the corporate governance and the social responsibility. PBB Group is well positioned for the long-term growth and success. So now let us move on to the PBB Group Berhad balance sheet. So we can see from the non-current asset, the company non-current asset has shown a steady increase from 2021 until 2023. And for the current asset, there have been a fluctuation in the current asset, and the most highest amount is in the 2022 and slightly decreasing in 2023. So let us see to the total asset, which is overall the total asset increased from 2021 until 2023. So the key point here is the increase in non-current asset is primarily due to the investment in associate and the right-of-use asset, and the decrease in the current asset in 2023 is attributed to the lower inventory and the trade receivable. So let us have a look in the income statement, and we can clearly to see that the company revenue increased from the 2021 to 2022 but have slightly decreased in 2023. So we can see from the gross profit, there was a significant increase in the gross profit from the 2022, and it also slightly decreased in 2023. So lastly, we can have a look on the net profit. The net profit of the year from the continuing operation rose from the 2021 to 2022 and decreased in 2023. So the key point here is the fluctuation in the revenue and the net profit indicate the market volatility and the potential operational challenge. Let us continue with the cash flow statement. The operating activity, the net cash from the operating activity improved significantly from a negative in 2021 to a positive in 2023. And for the investing activity, increased from the 2021 to 2023. And lastly, the financing activity increased dramatically from the 2022 to 2023. So the key point here is the substantial increase in cash used in the financing activity indicate a major strategy move or the financing restructuring for the PBB Group Berhad. So let us continue with these two possible underlying reasons for the significant changes of the PBB Group Berhad. So from the previous slide, we can see the most dramatically changes is the financing activity, and the financing activity saw a significant changes with a more than threefold increase from 2022 and 2023. And now what is the reason for the financing activity to increase so much from 2022 to 2023? And one of the reasons is the debt reduction. The company might have embarked on a strategy initiative to reduce its debt burden. And number two, maybe it was a dividend payout. There could have been a significant dividend payout or share repurchase program to increase the shareholder value. So let us continue with the profitability ratio. We can see from the return on net operating asset, RNOA improved from negative 0.83% in 2021 to 4.26% in 2023. And the operating profit margin increased from negative 0.9% to 3.74% in 2023. And lastly is the return on common equity, which is fluctuate from the 5.84% in 2021 to 8.61% in 2022, and then decreased to 5.51% in 2023. So the key point here is the increase in RNOA and OPM indicate the improved cost control and the revenue generation efficiency, and the fluctuation in ROCE suggests the volatility in the equity return, possibly due to the financial leverage or the market conditions. So let us continue with the last part, which is the two major issues achieving to the higher profitability performance. So number one issue, which is the volatility in the ROCE, indicate the challenges in providing consistent return to the shareholder. And number two is the initiate negative operating profit margin, suggests the difficulty in covering the operational expenses with the revenue initially. And despite from the improvement, and the recommendation for the PBB Group Berhad, which is continue to focus on cost control and operational efficiency. And number two is implement the strategy to boost the revenue and stabilize the profitability. Yeah, that's all for my presentation, and thank you for your watching. Thank you very much.